Hello, good evening, guys, and welcome to this recap session. Hope you had a wonderful day. So, on XAUUSD today, there's a break of structure to the downside here, and that move seems to start from this high here. Yes, on the 1 hour, that will be a little clearer. Yes, this high here. So, now this is a break of structure to the downside, and from this moment today, I was actively looking for selling opportunities on the 1 hour and also on the 15 minutes, and I don't have any confirmation in form of the engulfing. So I didn't take any trade on XAUSD today. On Euro USD on the 4 hour, you can see we had a break of structure to the downside too. Yeah, there's a break of structure to the downside here also, and that move started from this high, and so far there is no close above this high yet, so we are still bearish. And on the 1 hour, I took an entry here on the 15-minute time frame. This was pointing that price is really going to the downside. It ran enough for me to break even. Then price came back into my entry, and I had zero loss on the account, and I couldn't make some profit too because price took me out at the entry level. And on USDJPY on the 4 hour, we've been bullish for a while, and this impulse move here is still valid. Price is still within this movement from this low to this high here. So next week I'll want to see a little reversal from this point, or if it could come down a little into this area, then start looking for bullish opportunities. On GBP card today, I had a position open to because of this 4 hour engulfing candle, and price came back into the 20 pips portion of the move. So I don't do more than 20 pips, so I saw that as an opportunity to take a sell position, and it didn't even come down enough for me to break even. Then price went the other way, so I took a loss on that. And on GBAUD today, this was just a markup. I tried to follow based on the bearish engulfing that formed there, and this was not an open position for me because I saw it quite late. So I just put the markup there to see what will happen, and it happens to be a loss also. And this right here, you can see the engulfing right here, happens to be the good entry, and that's even the same bearish engulfing confirmation that I saw here, and it was what formed here also, and this is running perfectly well. So on ADUSD today, ADUSD, there was a time I spot an entry. Yes, it was here because I had running risk, so I could not take the position, and it ran like 1:3, or it ran enough to break even or to take some partial before the reversal, and that was it on ADSD today. Aside that, there's no other entry in form of the bearish engulfing. On GBUSD also, let's see where we stand on the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, we have been bearish for a while, and I said I want to see price come back into this one. Price it come there. Now it's time for the reversal. And on the 1 hour, there is yet the confirmation. I'm yet to see the confirmation. Wow, I just saw this now. This looks like a good entry to take a sell position. This right here looks like a good entry to take a sell position, though price seems to be coming into it now, but it's a very good reason to take a sell position. USD card also the 4 hour the 4 hour we've been bullish and price was just going consolidating back going back and forth today, and there is really no clear movement on the USD card throughout the day. So I was out of it. So the trade I took today was on and on the other trade was on USD CHF. We've been bullish for a while, and on the 15-minute time frame, I saw this bullish engulfing form, took a ran 1:1 break even, and the price came back into it. Then before then, I saw another opportunity to buy here. I bought here also. I did break even on this, and price came back into the entry. It was this particular position was risk free for me, so I just took few loss just due to spread on it. And this particular one, when price came here, I closed the first partial, and the second partial I closed it around here, and it happens to hit the full TP. So what if I might be thinking that I could have left the position open, I could have not secured my entry. Well, if what if it happens to be a loss also? So that's what I think. What if the worst could have happened? And it's good. I like the markup there, seeing the full TP just tell me the strategy is still working, and you know next time will be my opportunity. So that's my recap for today. I had few partials on this entry, though it could have been a full TP for me. I had like two or three break even position, and I took a loss also. So alright, see you on Monday, 7:30 a.m. West African time, and do well to like, subscribe if you find this video helpful, and if there's anything you want to say about it, the comment section is open. I'll be looking forward to see your response.